Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic that is about the circle and the triangle. So now I want to show you how to answer. Because we just find the area of this one in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that in this one we can divide this triangle into like this. And we know that one triangle in here, that is about 120 degrees. Because this is about equilateral triangle. And the center of the circle will be the center of the triangle in here. So if we want to find the area of this triangle, we need to find one area of this small triangle in here. Later that we multiply by number 3 because this one they have the same 120 degrees. So the area of this triangle, that is about number 3. We have 3 small triangles in here. Multiply by 1/2, and we know that this one you got about 8, so this one you got about 8, so we have 8 square multiply by sine 120 degrees. And the next one we can find the area of the circle. So we have the radius, that is about number 8. So we have a square b, that is about r square b in here. So if we want to find the green one, we will need to know that we use the area of the circle minus the area of the triangle. We divide by 3. And we have the final answer. This one we calculate, and that is about 48 with the square root of number 3. This one we have 64b minus this one we divide by 3. So if we simplify it, we can put number 8 go outside and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.